Hi friends, welcome to All in One. Today we are going to know about some unknown facts about India. Did you know that India used to be an island more than 100 million years ago? About 50 million years ago, it collided with the Asian continent. To over a billion people from all kinds of religion and ethnicities. India is not only the second most populated country, but it also has in store some mind-blowing facts and achievements under its belt. Here are some facts about India. First fact, 5000 years old Varanasi is one of the oldest inhabited place in the world. The Varanasi situated on the banks of river Ganga and represented in the parliament by the country's PM Narendra Modi. The holy city of Banaras or Varanasi is at least 3000 years old. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva found the city 5000 years ago. This is about Varanasi. Second one, a meteor formed the breathtaking Lonar Lake in Maharashtra. A 4-hour drive from Aurangabad, doubling as Maharashtra's best kept secret. This lake was created by plummeting meteor about 52,000 years ago. Travel enthusiasts must not miss this astronomical marvel and the temples around it. Third one, mysterious anti-gravity hills in Ladakh, that is magnetic hill. With the anti-gravitational effect, this is the only magnetic hill in India, landmarked by a yellow notice board that spells out instruction and asks you place your car on neutral gear, right on the spot marked by white paint. This one will leave in awe. Car will begin to move uphill on its own. Next factor, 2 cities in India in the UNESCO's World Heritage List. Next factor, land of many firsts. India invented snakes and ladder, shampooing, algebra and more. A plethora of objects and concepts originated in India. Starting from the game of snakes and ladder to chess, shampooing, the number pi, diamond mining, zero, algebra, trigonometry, along with the finding of the presence of water on the moon. Now tell me, isn't this an interesting fact about India? 6. Next one. World's only floating post office in Dal Lake in Srinagar. Yes, we have floating post office. India is not only known for the most significant number of post office in the world, but it has its very own floating post office on Dal Lake in Srinagar. Next factor. Mawsyn Ram is the wettest place on earth with 11,873 mm of rain annually. Holding a Guinness World Record of highest average annual rainfall. This town in Meghalaya gets about 11,873 mm of rain, owing to its proximity to the Bay of Bengal. Next one, the only country with a Bill of Rights for cows. From the moment an Indian is born, he has 2 mothers. One is his birth mother and 2 Gomata. Cows are believed to be holy in Hinduism. In the constitution has a set of rules in prevents the sale and slaughter of cows. Now tell me, isn't this a fantastic facts about India? Ninth one is very interesting. A voting poll booth set up for just one voter in Gujarat. Yes, India's most privileged voter, Mahant Bharat Das, resides in a small hamlet called Banej in the middle of Gir forest. The setting up of a particular polling booth for just one voter goes a long way in speaking decibels about the democratic spirit of the country. Next one, Shani Shingnapur is village where the houses don't have doors, attracting over 40,000 devotees each day due to 300-year-old legend. This village in Maharashtra features establishments without any doors and locks. Its residents sleep soundly, as they believe Lord Shani to be the guardian of the town. I wonder how they keep the rain away. Next one, the tiny village of Madhopatti is called the officers' village of India. A small village in the Jaunpur district of Uttar Pradesh, Madhopatti has created history by producing the most number of IAS officers. With about 75 households, it has given 47 officers to Indian administration. Not just that, many from the same village have made their careers by joining prestigious organizations like ISRO, Baba Atomic Research Center, and World Bank. You have to ask the villagers about the study schedule maybe. This is about today's session. We will continue second part tomorrow.